What's up, y'all? So this is a new type of video. Let me know how y'all respond to this if y'all like it. I apologize for the kind of subpar video quality because I'm just using my phone. But I'm out here in the colony in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And I just came from a networking event and I'm at a Starbucks doing some work. And I'm actually kind of reliving something I experienced. Motorcycle. I'm reliving something I experienced about 8 years ago when I first quit Amazon and became full-time self-employed. A lot of y'all know my background. I was part of network marketing at the time, and I was promoting health and wellness products. And I would find myself in Addison, but interesting thing is, I always found it to be a drag to drive all the way to Addison because it's about maybe 50 minutes away from where I live. So when I would have an early appointment, at a Starbucks or multiple early appointments at a Starbucks because I try and set them back to back to give health and wellness assessments and then upsell them on the products that I was promoting, I didn't want to go back home because a lot of times these appointments would have hours between them. Like I'm gonna have an appointment like at noon and have another appointment at 6. And what do you do in between that free time? Well, you can go back home, which is going to take another 50 minutes for me and sit around and do stuff. Or you could just hang around that city, maybe go to the mall, maybe approach people about your offers, and it expands your network. So it's a pretty easy sell just to stay on this side of town. The same thing is happening now, but for different reasons. Mainly because I guess it's not really that different. The main difference is I am promoting my stuff. I'm promoting me. Some video editing, sometimes my book, sometimes the money talks that I'm hosting now, my online products. It's all me. I'm not actually promoting for another person. And it's a very interesting, I'll say full arc if I was a character in a story to end up right back where I was, but for different reasons and in a different place in my life. While I'm at that, while I'm speaking on that, can we just talk about the moving up north that my Metroplex has had, the Dallas-Fort Worth area? I'm at the Shops of Legacy right now. It's on the cusp of the Colony, Plano / Frisco all at once. And I'm just sitting here at the Starbucks, and this is essentially what Uptown Dallas used to be. I mean, from the visual decor, this really feels like the West Village in Uptown Dallas, because I used to stay in Uptown. And yeah, it's real similar. I mean, the dogs, I've seen several dogs, people walking their dogs, people jogging by. One thing that it doesn't have that Uptown now has, Uptown Dallas, is homeless people. That's what I meant by this feels like what Dallas used to be, Uptown Dallas. The Frisco, Colony area, it's crazy how everything has just moved further north. I just talked about repeating a cycle. I'm repeating the same thing, but I'm further north than my Metroplex. I'm in the Colony, which is even further out from where I live, instead of Addison. So I just wanted to share that. That's interesting, but the main teachable moment from this is when you're out and about and you're full-time self-employed, or let's just say you have the day off and you do have a 9-to-5, if you're meeting with someone for business reasons and you have 2 appointments, one towards the end of the day or evening or whatever, one towards the beginning, don't go back home. Do something between your first and second appointments. I'm at a Starbucks getting work done, but I can meet someone that could change my life forever business-wise. And once I finish the stuff, I'm probably going to go to the Frisco Mall or maybe the Galleria in Addison, just hang out for a bit, maybe do some window shopping or actual shopping, but I'm going to approach people just to network. Things happen when you leave the house, and I think that's important to point out during this time where the pandemic installed probably some bad habits that we need to undo as inspiring business owners. All right, that's all I got to say. This is more of a vlog type of video. I'm interested to hear how y'all respond to it, if y'all want more of these, because I'll be open to doing more of them. They're very simple to make, and these are just some thoughts I had that could give y'all value. All right, I'll catch y'all later.